In the industrial era, automation plays a vital role in helping businesses enhance efficiency, optimize costs, and increase competitiveness. Founded in 2012 in Vietnam, RTC Technology is a leading science and technology enterprise specialized in providing automation solutions for the industrial sector, especially in the electrical, electronics, semiconductor, automotive, and logistics industry. Our vision is to be Vietnam's leading pioneer in delivering comprehensive automation solutions and equipment to become one place for world-class automation solutions. One-stop automation solution. Our team comprises machine vision engineering. This team is in charge of designing and integrating machine vision systems, enabling automated recognition, inspection, and processing. They ensure high accuracy, minimize errors, and optimize production workflows. Mechanical engineering design. Mechanical engineers design and simulate machine structures and components, ensuring stable and durable operation. They transform automation solutions into reliable systems. Software programming technology. This team develops control software, from PLCs to SCADA, e-factory, e-logistics, smart warehouse, enabling intelligent and flexible machine operation. Project management. Our project management team is responsible for coordinating resources, tracking progress and budget, and guaranteeing the solution is delivered on time and exceeds client expectations. Automation is the key to efficiency. RTC Technology offers holistic solutions. Machine vision, comprehensive industrial image processing for high-precision defect detection. AGV-AMR, autonomous vehicles for seamless material transport, optimizing logistics. Automation machine builder, custom-designed automation systems. IoT, OEE, SCADA, e-factory, e-logistics, smart warehouse, digital solutions for real-time monitoring and optimization. Automation equipment, robots, sensors, and controllers from top global brands. Also, industrial image processing solution, highly accurate error detection. One inspection. Machine vision systems can automate complex or regular visual inspection tasks and precisely guide handling equipment during process. 2. Robot guide. Vision-guided robot is a general term of machine vision and image processing systems used for position detection and inspection with industrial robots. 3. Gauge measurement. A machine vision system for gauging calculates the distances between two or more points or geometrical locations on an object and determines whether these measurements meet specifications. 4. Identification. Machine vision plays an important role in product and part identification by reading data codes, barcodes, and locating unique patterns on items based on color, shape, or size. AGV-AMR, autonomous guided vehicles, autonomous mobile robots, autonomous material transport, optimizing logistics. With many outstanding advantages. Wide loading range, suitable for many types of goods. Diverse and intelligent navigation modes. Safety features, smart battery charging. Adaptive and flexible manufacturing application for factories. Automation machine builder. RTC specializes in designing and manufacturing custom automation systems, customized based on client needs. Our advanced machine building solutions accelerate production, boost efficiency, and meet diverse market demands across industries like automotive, electronics, and medical. Automation equipment. RTC supplies cutting-edge automation equipment, including robots, sensors, and controllers, from leading global brands such as Datalogic, Fujifilm, MVTech, Hycrobot, and LMI. Service Center Product Maintenance and Service Center. Our service center is committed to accompanying customers throughout the entire product lifecycle, offering proactive maintenance, fast warranty handling, and comprehensive technical support. At RTC, we don't just build technology, we also building an ideal working environment where every individual is valued and can achieve holistic development. This is clearly demonstrated through practical benefits like our regular health checkup programs and vibrant sporting activities such as football and badminton tournaments. We believe that a happy and healthy team is the foundation for continuous innovation and sustainable success. From Vietnam, extending our reach across Asia-Pacific, Europe, and America, RTC confidently fosters technological innovation and collaborates with strategic partners through advanced automation solutions. Throughout our journey, RTC proudly stands as a science and technology enterprise, holding ISO certification and copyright registrations. We are committed to technological advancement, delivering superior quality products, and fostering strong strategic partnerships with Fujifilm, Datalogic, Hycrobot, Mobi Data, Abo, Honeywell. RTC Technology. We strive constantly to realize our vision of becoming Vietnam's leading pioneer in providing comprehensive automation solutions. RTC Technology. Technological breakthrough building the future.